Hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you Instagram audio call options not showing on iPhone and Android devices. Lot of Instagram user has been reporting to audio call options not showing on Instagram in iPhone and Android devices. Now users question is what to do for the fixing this issue. Before the starting video, please make sure you are subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. Now first important thing is latest versions to update your Instagram applications on your iPhone and Android. Now open the Instagram applications right hand side corner to Messenger and select the anyone chat. In the chat top corner audio call options not showing and also only video call and also flag options available. Now question is what to do for the fixing audio call options on your Instagrams. Latest versions to update your Instagram applications. Now open the Instagram applications on your iPhone and Android devices. Once the open it, after you can see also right hand side bottom profile section. Now please make sure tap on it and three lines at the right hand side corner. Now the first option is settings. Now please make sure tap on it. Now scroll down and select the account. In the account section, second last option is which account type. So guys, please make sure tap on it. Once the tap on it, now you can see also two options available, switch to personal account and switch to business account. Now please make sure first option is switch to personal account. Now the process is done. Now wait for the sometimes, then automatically personal account is switched on your iPhone and Android devices. Once this process is done, after force stop the Instagram applications from your iPhone and Android. Now open the Instagram applications. Now you can see also right hand side messenger icon. Now please make sure tap on it and select the anyone chat. Now you can see also top corner audio call options easily available on your Instagram in your iPhone and Android devices. Because this way too you can easily audio call options fix on your Instagram in your iPhone and Android devices. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.